tornado rips through Marshalltown, Iowa, USA and causes catastrophic damage. A tornado has caused catastrophic damage in Marshalltown, Iowa, as it ripped through the northwest side of the city. According to early reports, vehicles are missing, overturned, tops of buildings are gone and trees and power lines are down. There were no immediate reports of injuries, according to the Iowa Department of Homeland Security and Emergency Management, but there were reports of several tornadoes in the area about an hour northeast of Des Moines. Around 27,000 people live in the town. Footage shows the town's courthouse roof being ripped off. They just got hit by a massive tornado and I'm hearing reports of catastrophic damage. Lots of friends and family still in the area. Hope you're all safe. Marshalltown is 60 miles northeast of Des Moines and around 130 miles south of the Minnesota border.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.